Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts with Steve McDonald. Today I'm going to be using my Copic pens for the first time to make a flower. Who knows how it's going to go? I am going to be using blending solution with this particular tiny flower with using the Copic pens, and I normally make my own blending solution by adding 3 or 4 drops of glycerin to it, but I have seen now that you shouldn't be adding glycerin, you should be adding antifreeze. So if there is anybody out there that has actually tried using the antifreeze or knows a way of making blending solution, I would really appreciate you letting me know in the comments and how you get on with it, what ratios you make with it, and whether it's as good as the blending solution you can buy. It really, really will be useful. Thank you. And again, guess that one, B29, and this time I'm just going to use in the middle. That's B29 Ultramarine Copic Marker. Cost me £45, I think they were, and that was on a sale price. So I can't get the lid back on. Can you hear all that noise? That's me trying to get the lid back on. Now make sure you put tops back on them at £45, because the last thing you want to be doing is letting them evaporate. And this, as you can see, is not central into the thing, but there we go. Is that hypnotising everybody? You are under my control. I'm just letting that dry. You are under my control. You're going to love my art. You're going to leave positive comments. You're going to share these videos. Sorry. Right, so I'm going to try it with a bit of air and alcohol blending solution. It does come out a bit quick out of this one. Oh look, now I've got 2 drops now. So let's see what that does. Okay. Oh, I've got no control over this. The way this bottle, this blending solution is lovely blending solution, but I have to say, it's awful bottle design. Come on, Pinata. Design a better bottle, please. Wipe that round there. Just far too much comes out at once. I'm being very gentle with this. Look at that, that's awful. I've got no control over that whatsoever. I'm going to put this into a bottle with a pin nose to it, because I can't coping with this. It's got no idea what it's doing. So I've got loads of pin nose bottles, and so I might as well use them. I'll try not to forget that I've labelled it. Okay, let's have a look how that goes now. Oh, that's much better. Look at that. That's much better. No, I've got enough. I haven't got enough. I haven't got enough. Let's put a bit there as well. Oh, my dogs are barking. I bet there's a cat going by. Not quite sure what kind of flower this is, if any. Type. Oh, I don't really think that is a flower, to be honest. I think that needs a lot more practice. I don't know. I think it's quite pretty. Perhaps a raggedy old poppy or something. Right, okay, so we've got that. So now let's go in with a bit of black. And what colour? Don't know what that is. That's yellow. So a bit of black and a bit of yellow to do the centre. I don't know if everyone can still see this. Oh, I am absolutely in love with these Copic pens. We'll definitely be using these a lot. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. I'm going to send these a Valentine's card come February because I love them. Oh, and you can get lots of different tiny colours. Tiny colours, tiny dots without them blending into each other. Oh, I do like this. Did you know I like this? Anyone guess I like this? Alright, and now I'm going to go over it with a little bit of yellow. Oh, Lily. Lily's in the living room barking. Someone's about that she doesn't like. And I'm sure if I just wipe that on the... Oh, it comes off a treat. Okay. A bit of yellow in there as well. No wonder everybody raves about these Copic markers. These are very, very good. Oh, they clean off beautifully. So all we need now is a bit of white. So I'm going to use one of my Posca pens. Now I do have a Posca white, but obviously in the last 24 hours I've used it and not put it away, and now I have no idea where it is, because why would I? Why would I put it away? I always put things away. Where's my white Posca pen? Oh, is it in here? I've got so many different white pens. I've also got a colour blanket there. I've got this one, which is uni paint, so I'll give this a go because evidently I've completely lost my Posca pen. And I have to find it because I used to wipe quite a lot and they're not cheap either. I'm going to have a tidy up in here. It's no good. I'm going to have to really just try and have a tidy up. So I'm just giving this a bit of a shake. Hopefully this will do exactly what I wanted the other one to do, but can't get the lid off. Give it a few squidges. Right, yeah, that's come out. It's important to have a bit of contrast in here as well. These whites. This head. This is nice, but it's not as nice as the Posca pen. There we go. Actually, do you know what? For my first go at a flower with Posca and Copic pen, I'm actually really pleased with that. Posca pens, Copic pens, using canned air and a little bit of blending solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. I hope you enjoyed this video of me using the pens. Bye.